G'day everyone, artist Wayne Dowsend here, and let's have a round of applause for Sam, Jackie, Catherine and Clint as they compete in the Race to Denman!
Getting ready for the race to Denman?
Yeah, race to Denman. Is this a race?
Yeah,
No one told me it was a race.
And so now I come on this race to Denman, and I think I'm in with a pretty good chance to win.
What's my hair looking like?
It's good.
Is it?
It's fluffed up in
You
a
do
way.
all of your phone.
What happened to your hand?
We came
Just
unglued,
like relaxing and just going moving on and
broke the
Sam
wrist
found Richie's
several
right.
places. It's all good now though, all good,
it was easy.
mostly.
And then I just basically
So you ready for the race?
the same way
Right,
back
yes.
and just kept going down.
Yeah, ready for the race.
Whatever.
Five years riding and training for Denman, the race to Denman.
I want to go as fast as I possibly can to beat everybody.
Probably my biggest background is probably in road riding, but since I've met Wayne, I bought a DR650.
This is like the pinnacle event, and I'll be out there to win at
Will you?
all costs. Wayne,
Will you be on the podium?
I'll be on the podium for sure.
I might win the race.
The motor.
I want to win this race. It's mine. It's in the bag.
I'll be crushing my way through. I'll be busting bones, mine and everyone else's, to get through and be on the winning spot on the podium. You wait and see.
You alright, Catherine?
Really?
Sure.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
It's a tragedy. I've been training for months for this race to Denman, and it's all ended in tragedy.
Was it a high speed deal, mate?
Nah, slow. Slow, gravel. And
Yeah.
she's just come down on her shoulder.
Off my face.
I think the methoxy worked.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Giggling.
Probably enough.
Look, yeah. Over this way, Bill.
I feel on the front. Just come and sit.
Just take a seat over there, Bill. That's it. Well, you're making that look good, Catherine. Well, we're going to bring you food. Come on.
Feel like that.
Just, where's that pain? Is that there?
I'll be busting bones, mine and everyone else's, to get through and be on the winning spot on the podium. You wait and see.